What's up, investors? It's the Russian dude, and today marks the very first month since the beginning of our experiment when I wanted to ask ChatGPT, the AI assistant, if you can call it like this, where should I invest $1,000 in which 10 ultra high risk stocks. So well, today is the time to check my portfolio and see if this assistance was good or not. And well, as you can see right here, in the last month, this my AI portfolio made 7.15% gain in a single month, which is, to be honest, if you think about it, is a pretty good number. And so right now let's also go quickly through some individual positions to see how they performed, because as you can already see, this is not usual returns that you would see in normal regular investing. Yeah, companies losing more than half their valuation in 1 month, this is absolutely ridiculous. Same as ridiculous as companies gaining 60% or more. So yeah, the first company, Beyond Meat, lost 22.88%, ChargePoint lost 9.77%, DraftKings increased by 18%, Canoe, this absolutely ridiculous EV company which I never heard about, lost almost 60% in a single month, Palantir increased 47%, Plug Power decreased by 3%, which, as you can see, looks like the most conservative investment among these ridiculously ultra high risk stocks. Then Rivian increased by 13%, SoFi increased by 44%, Space, which is the Richard Branson Virgin Galactic, it decreased by 3%, and finally Upstart increased by almost 61% in a single month. Well, these are exactly the numbers you would expect from the AI, which suggested you 10 ultra high risk investments. And right now, guys, let's talk about, at least my personal understanding, why the growth or decline was so significant in a single month. And so, obviously, when our companies are extremely risky, their ups and downs, they vary in a much bigger range than other a little bit more conservative investments. Like companies like Apple, Google, Microsoft, they might receive maybe plus, minus 5-10% in a single month at most. But yeah, you can obviously never imagine Apple or Microsoft losing 60% or gaining 60% in a single month. For this reason, the magnitude, the range of these investments is so crazy, when even just a mere 3% sounds like nothing at all. At the same time, the overall increase of the entire portfolio by 7% in a single month is also a pretty good result, but just once again, this is due to a very optimistic outlook of the stock market in the month of November. I obviously hope that this increase can continue in the month which will follow December, January, March, April and so on, but most likely, since the nature of this investment is absolutely unpredictability, everything can shift in a literal month, we shall see. This was the first month report of my 10 ultra high risk stocks which were suggested to me to be invested in by ChatGPT, and well, so far the result is extremely promising. Please subscribe to my channel for the next month update which I'll release in the end of December, and in the meantime I'll continue to make this news about the stock market, investing and economy in general. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and see you on Monday.